So application of the product is very critical too as well. Is the product getting on from the end user perspective? A lot of times when dealers are sitting with these warranty reps, they're only looking at it from their perspective, right? Gross profit, contracts sold, things of that nature. We look at more from the end user perspective because that's really the person that drives everything, right? They drive the business. So if the end user is having a good experience, then the dealer is going to have a good experience because everything is tied to the end user. So how we kind of work as far as applying the product goes is we have people on site that handle that. Not only the applying of the product, but we're also handling the day-to-day of the inventory coming in, the service vehicles coming in, trade-ins, things of that nature. So that really kind of sets us apart to get the product applied properly and on time, which is very important. So 2 different ways the product can be applied. It can either be applied at time of sale. So when the end user is sitting in F&I and going through the paperwork process, we're actually in the back applying it so that when they're done with the paperwork and everything is good, we pull the vehicle up, it has the product applied to it, and it moves down the road. Or, which is also a very popular model, is preloading it. So we actually preload it as the inventory comes in. That does a couple of things. One, it's already on there, and you have a consistent inventory on your lot. So when we're lot washing the vehicle, you're spraying it down once a week, it actually brings a better shine to your overall lot. So when your customer's pulling up for the first time and they see everything shining, it gives a better perspective on it. So you could do it at time of sale or you could do it at preload. But the turnaround time, we try to make sure it stays within the flow of the dealer so nothing's bogged down. And then also, it could be the same day or next day as far as the sold units are concerned too as well.